What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. It is Tuesday, the 9th of March, 2021. All right, let's get right into it. Bitcoin is up over the past 24 hours. Well, we're seeing a little retracement over the past 24 hours because I just hit refresh on the screen and everything was all green just a second ago. But as soon as I refreshed it, we starting to see some red. So maybe within the last hour or so, people are taking some profits. All right, Binance Coin is still killing it, and Cardano still up. And that's pretty much it in the top 20. Yeah, everything, although it's in the red and it looks so gloomy, it's just sideways retracement, or not sideways retracement, but just trading sideways. People taking a little profit here and there. All right, let's get into it. I have a lot of stories to cover, and I'm gonna try to get them all in under 10 minutes, one take. Let's go. First, we have coming from Cointelegraph, 3 million active users help lift audio to new all-time high. So this is a platform for Audius is one project that is chasing the first mover advantage in the music streaming sector. The music sharing and streaming protocol facilitates transactions between creators and listeners, making it relatively effortless for users to distribute and monetize audio content. Great idea. I saw it from the story and it just kind of interests me. All right, and what really interests me is this fact right here, that you could stake and earn 7% yield annually. So here it is. The first major increase in users followed the project's October 2020 launch and the activation of the staking on the Audius platform in December. This enabled audio holders to earn 7% yield for tokens that were staked on the network while listening to music and interacted with the protocol. I mean, it's a win-win. You're listening to your favorite artist that's already on the platform, and you're earning money at the same time. I mean, you can't go wrong there. I'm not pushing this platform or project. I just think it's a great idea. We're going to see more stuff like this happen in the future, and with artists interacting directly with their audience, and it's a win-win situation for both parties, all right? Especially with the NFT space. And speaking of NFTs, again from Cointelegraph, NFT-related altcoins hit new highs after Bitcoin price rallies to 53K. And this pretty much happened, over the weekend. It happens all the time. When Bitcoin pumps, everything pumps. And right now, the item right now in the space is NFTs. So it's gonna pump as soon as Bitcoin pump. If Bitcoin goes up 10%, you could expect NFT related products and platforms to jump 10, 20, 30%. And that's what happened over the weekend as of March 8th. So that's what this is covering right here. All right, so next, NFL, more about NFTs. This is coming from Decrypt. The NFL meets NFTs in new collection from Rob Gronkowski. All right, everybody knows Gronk. Just won another Super Bowl with Tom Brady, and he's getting in on the NFT space. Gronk play, Gronk party hard, Gronk mints NFT. Tampa Bay Buccaneers tight end Rob Gronkowski has proven pretty adept at crafting a very specific image, touchdowns, ball spiking, partying on boats, and Boston, and lending that image to a range of big brands, including Nike, Tide, Dunkin' Donuts, DraftKings, and Monster Energy. Now he's turning his image toward NFTs with a collection of digital trading cards. Self-explanatory. Everybody's gonna, again, it's who he is, right? It's very popular in pop culture, not just in the NFL space, but in pop culture. And people with money are going to want to buy his digital trading card. As a matter of fact, speaking of trading cards, Kobe Bryant rookie trading card just sold for $1.8 million. So again, there is a market out there. There is a space for it, and people will buy these things. Back to Cointelegraph, and we have Southeast Asia's first Bitcoin fund launches to meet local institution demand. The Malaysia-based BCMG Genesis Bitcoin Fund 1, or I, or BCGBFI, has officially launched, claiming to have become the first insured institutional crypto product available in the Southeast Asian region. The investment vehicle also offers insurance coverage and underwriting for public, offering security insurance. Fund manager and Subu Vempatai explain. Oh, that's the person's name. I just butchered it. Sorry, dude. BCGBFI is a secured, insured, and regulated platform where investors can get exposure to the digital asset industry. Investors get to benefit from our expertise in the financial, technical, and security aspects of Bitcoin investments, as well as enter this class with a peace of mind without challenges or risk in directly handling the digital assets, because handling digital assets is like handling a nuclear waste at a freaking nuclear power plant, right? Because it's so dangerous. Like, give me a break. But you know what? Again, there's a market for it, and people with high net worth people sometimes just want people to do things for them, don't want to invest the time to learn and know more about digital assets. So this is why they have white glove services like this to be able to handle their money for them. All right. So, hey, more power to them. Congratulations. Bring more people into space. Pump our bags. Next, again, from Cointelegraph. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Again, JP Morgan. You know, if you've been watching my videos since 2017, you know I have a hate relationship with JP Morgan. And that's because they're scumbags, I think. And the CEO himself, he's a scumbag because they tanked the price. He talked bad about Bitcoin, tanking it, saying that he will fire his traders if he found out that they were trading Bitcoin, even on their personal time. And while he was doing that, the price of Bitcoin tanked. And while the price of Bitcoin tanked, the European branch of JP Morgan, they were buying Bitcoin. Okay, so look it up and you'll see what I'm talking about. And that's, nobody went to jail for or got fined for, I think they did get fined, but, that's the price of doing business. But no one went to jail for market manipulation or anything like that, right? JP Morgan launching crypto exposure basket featuring MicroStrategy and Square. So they're just, all their high net worth clients are demanding it. So now they have to provide it. And that's basically what it is. They came out with like a 38-page report the other day for their high net worth clients, where basically you have to, to join that club, you have to have a minimum of $10 million. And they set out a report about investing in Bitcoin and cryptos, and now they're offering it to their clients because, they don't want to see their clients take their money to go to their competitors, right? So that's what it is. And I'm not even going to read the story. It's just, it is what it is, right? Everybody's getting into the crypto space. I can hate them all I want. It's not going to change the fact that they have high net worth clients and that their clients will pretty much stay with it if they offer these products to them, all right? But they should be coming to people like me instead, I think. All right, Bitcoin whales bought the dip as orders for 100K or more hit all-time highs. So you're seeing orders on exchanges for Bitcoin of 100K or more, meaning that, they're buying 100K at a time worth of Bitcoin on these exchanges. And you can see it. It's right there in open for us, and everybody can inspect it, if you know what to look for and all that. And I hope you didn't sell during this past little dip over the past couple of weeks, all right? Because you're selling to these institutions that's buying up Bitcoin at 100K at a time, all right? Remember, Bitcoin is for us. It's for the people. It's not for large institutions and wealthy individuals. It's for the everyday people, and for everyday people to join it and use the network. But here it is. Bitcoin whales and institutions alike have made the most of the recent Bitcoin price dip by buying big, data suggests. In an update on March 9th, on-chain analytics service Material Indicators noted that buy orders of $100K and higher on Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange by volume worldwide, are reaching all-time highs. So you're having big buy orders for Bitcoin. Who is selling Bitcoin to them? That's what I want to know. Who the hell is selling them this Bitcoin? Because it ain't me. All right. I hope it's not you either. Not financial advice, of course. But we're seeing more and more institutions get into the space and just buying up all the Bitcoin, especially during buying the dip periods. Okay. So while you're selling, they are buying. Next, speaking of institutions getting into the space, Soros Fund, New York Life, Morgan Stanley among investors of $200 million in Bitcoin investment firm. And they're basically investing with NYDIG. Soros Fund Management New York Life, and Morgan Stanley have joined Stone Ridge Holdings, Mass Mutual, FS Investments, and Bessemer Venture Partners to invest in Bitcoin-focused investment company NYDIG. They will collaborate on a range of Bitcoin-related strategic initiatives and expect to launch an explosion of innovation in Bitcoin products and services. If anyone still thinks that Bitcoin is going to go somewhere, meaning it's going to go to zero, or Bitcoin is just the tulip bubble, but in the 21st century, you're idiots. All right, you're idiots, or you're extremely smart and you're trying to FUD the space. This way you could buy some more yourself. All right. We're seeing large institutions buy up all the Bitcoin, making investments to buy and offer Bitcoin products or Bitcoin related products. Bitcoin isn't going anywhere. All right. That's all I got to say. I'm not even going to get into it. I'm not even going to, entertain the fact that we're seeing more and more institutions get into the space. All right, I said I would keep it short. I won't go off on one of my tangents. And that's pretty much it. And if you want to know who George Soros is, he's basically the guy that bankrupt the Bank of England back in 1992. All right, and that's how he got his billions. But yeah, smash the likes, hit that subscribe, notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. It's Sergeant Crypto. I'm out, man. Peace.